So that is the current outlook, and we're looking forward to coming back to Port of Baltimore once the operation is back on track. During the pandemic, some companies scrapped their old vessels, and they are now being reinvented. Mazda has always been a company that marched to the beat of its own drum, embodying a spirit of innovation and tenacity that has won the admiration of car enthusiasts worldwide. From pioneering the Wankel rotary engine to developing lightweight driver-focused cars like the MX-5 Miata, Mazda has remained true to its vision of blending engineering with the thrill of driving. Now, Mazda's CEO, Masahiro Moro, has once again rocked the automotive world with the announcement of a newly redesigned rotary engine. This latest development doesn't just mark a return to Mazda's roots. It signals a bold step forward in an industry evolving faster than ever. The reimagined rotary engine is set to shake the car world to its core, with competitors like Toyota, Tesla, and Ford watching keenly as Mazda reasserts itself as a force to be reckoned with in both performance and innovation. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more exclusive news. The rotary engine has long been a symbol of Mazda's identity, but it has also carried a certain mystique due to its unique design and engineering challenges. Unlike traditional piston engines that rely on reciprocating motion, the rotary engine, also known as the Wankel engine, operates on a rotating motion, allowing it to produce smooth power with fewer moving parts. This made the rotary engine famously compact, lightweight, and incredibly rev-happy. Its unique characteristics made it the heart of Mazda's legendary RX-7 and RX-8 models, both beloved by enthusiasts for their high-revving nature and nimble handling. However, the rotary engine was eventually phased out due to increasing emissions regulations and fuel efficiency concerns. For years, the future of this iconic powertrain seemed uncertain, but the recent announcement from Masahiro Moro has changed that narrative entirely. Moro's decision to revive the rotary engine comes at a time when the automotive industry is rapidly transitioning towards electrification. Major car makers such as Tesla have revolutionized the market with their electric vehicles, EVs, and traditional giants like General Motors and Ford are making aggressive moves into the EV space as well. Yet Mazda's move to bring back the rotary engine signals that it's not willing to fully abandon internal combustion just yet. This is a critical point in understanding why this news has caused such a shockwave in the car industry. One of the most significant aspects of this new rotary engine is its hybrid application. According to Masahiro Moro, Mazda's engineers have worked tirelessly to address the traditional shortcomings of the rotary engine, namely its inefficiency and high emissions. The redesigned rotary engine will now function primarily as a range extender in Mazda's upcoming hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. This means that instead of powering the wheels directly, the rotary engine will generate electricity, which will then power the vehicle's electric motor. By repurposing the rotary in this way, Mazda has ingeniously sidestepped the engine's historical issues while retaining its core strengths: compact size, low weight, and high power output. In the world of hybrids, range extenders are not a new concept, but Mazda's decision to use a rotary engine in this role is both bold and unconventional. Most range extenders, like those used in the BMW i3 or the Chevrolet Volt, rely on small traditional piston engines to generate power. These engines, while efficient, do not carry the same engineering allure or historical significance as Mazda's rotary engine. By using a rotary engine as a range extender, Mazda is effectively creating a vehicle that blends modern hybrid technology with the brand's storied engineering heritage. It's an approach that appeals to both the environmentally conscious and the driving enthusiast, a rare feat in today's automotive landscape. But what really sets Mazda's approach apart is the potential for performance applications. While the rotary engine in its range-extending role will primarily focus on efficiency, There are rumors swirling that Mazda may also be exploring high-performance variants of the Rotary for future sports cars. Enthusiasts are already speculating that this new Rotary engine could eventually power a spiritual successor to the RX-7 or RX-8. Such a car would likely compete with models like the Toyota GR Supra or Nissan Zeed, both of which have reinvigorated interest in Japanese sports cars. The return of a rotary-powered Mazda sports car would not only ignite the passion of longtime fans, but could also attract a new generation of enthusiasts who crave a driving experience that is increasingly rare in an era dominated by electric propulsion. While Mazda's new rotary engine may not compete directly with the likes of Tesla's fully electric powertrains, it represents a different kind of technological evolution, one that seeks to preserve the tactile, visceral experience of driving while adapting to a world that demands cleaner, more efficient vehicles. This balance between tradition and innovation is a hallmark of Mazda's philosophy, and it's something that sets the brand apart in a crowded market. The timing of this announcement is particularly fascinating. The automotive industry is at a crossroads, with internal combustion engines, ICEs, being phased out in favor of electric alternatives. Governments across the globe are setting stricter emissions targets, and many automakers have announced plans to completely electrify their lineups within the next decade. Volvo, for example, has committed to becoming fully electric by 2030, while Mercedes-Benz has set a similar goal for the same time frame. Against this backdrop, Mazda's decision to double down on rotary engine technology may seem counterintuitive, but it underscores the company's belief that there is still room for ICEs in the future, especially when paired with hybrid technology. Moreover, Mazda has always thrived as a smaller, more agile player in the global automotive market. While the likes of Toyota and Volkswagen may have the resources to develop cutting-edge electric vehicles at a rapid pace, Mazda has traditionally focused on refining its existing technologies and finding ways to extract more performance and efficiency from them. The development of Skyactiv technology is a perfect example of this. When Mazda first introduced its Skyactiv engines, they were hailed as some of the most efficient internal combustion engines on the market, offering a level of fuel economy that was previously thought to be attainable only by hybrids. The redesigned rotary engine appears to be the next logical step in Mazda's ongoing quest to push the boundaries of what internal combustion can achieve. Another fascinating aspect of this development is the potential for the rotary engine to play a role in hydrogen-powered vehicles. Mazda has experimented with hydrogen rotary engines in the past, and there is speculation that the new design could be adapted to run on hydrogen, offering a zero-emissions alternative to battery electric vehicles.